Let's talk about the basic maintenance and cleaning procedure of the splicer. I know that we covered that just a while ago, but let's repeat that and show me how you clean the V groove, clamp pad, and lens protection cover to see if you can do it. You know, it
Okay.
just.
Well, I have a 102M12 open right now. If we were talking about initially, if I first see it, I would use, we have used shop vacuums here in combination with paintbrushes and usually pass over the outside to start with.
Yeah.
This does a good job in this combination of getting whatever particles, dirt, grit, whatever. And afterwards, you would move on to the inside. So to clean the fiber clamps initially, that's how I do it. So using isopropyl alcohol, you dab a cotton swab. I clean the inside first. And then the top, and use the reflection of the light at my station to check if it's all clear, which it is. I've done it already on this on this unit.
Yeah.
And also clean the pads and the inside of the heat shrink oven. This one is starting to have some wear on the actual elements, so I'll have to notify the customer about that when it gets time to finalize.
I noticed that this one got the V groove removed, assuming pretending that the V groove is here. And can you demonstrate the cleaning of a V groove?
Yeah, for sure. Assuming we usually here do remove the V groove, and what I like to start with anyway, this is mostly just to polish it if there's any dirt on the side initially, and then using a V groove brush. I start by the inside first, because with arcing it does tend to create like singeing, I suppose, and you know, particles on the inside. And then, starting with the V groove brush, pass it inside of the V grooves. This one was in fairly good shape when I examined it under the microscope. That's a part I forgot to mention. We do initially examine the V grooves and the tips of the electrodes under our shop microscope.
Can you show me?
Yes. So these are our ribbon stations and our laboratory microscope that we use to examine electrodes, V grooves, and blades. So, using it, we can see where the V grooves, if there's any damage, dirt, whatever stuck inside.
Okay.
And after passing the V groove brush, we use a combination of a somewhat harder bristled paintbrush and a softer paintbrush.
Mm.
The harder bristled one will be use isopropyl alcohol to pass within the V groove, and then finalize with the soft brush to clear out whatever else is left.
Nice.
And that's basically it.
All right.